Welcome back everyone, and in this video we will be learning how to make a page in our WordPress website using the theme divi. Okay, for that we need to first log into our website. In order to log in, as we know, we just need to type our domain name /wp-admin. I'll just type this and I'll hit enter. I suppose it's my internet. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Fine, so we are in the dashboard. In order to make a page, we need to first go to the section of pages. When we just hover our mouse on the pages, we can see there are two options appearing. First is all pages and second is add new. In all pages section, you'd see all the pages that we have made till date, and in add new section we would be seeing the option to make new page. So we'll click on the add new option, fine, because we need to make a new page. So fine, so this is our canvas on which we would be drawing. I mean to say, this is the page, this is the section where we're making our page. Fine, I'll be giving it name as a sample page. Fine. In order to use divi, we need to just click on this button, which help us to enable the divi builder option, which is the speciality of the divi. So after clicking this, a section would appear out here. Fine. In this section, we are having, first of all, need to understand the functionalities bottom out here. The first is a standard section. The meaning of the standard section is, if we are making pages opting a standard section, then it would leave a small amount of margin on both the sides of the website. I'll show you practically all the things. First of all, let's understand what is the meaning. In full width, whatsoever we would be putting in that section, it would be touching both the ends of the website. There won't be any space between or just aside of those things. In special section, special predefined sections are being made like these, from which we can select and make the pages. So first of all, we'll start using the standard section. Fine, I'll cross it. Fine. So if I choose a standard section as something, it would ask me how many columns do I require to make. For example, if I want a single column or a page on a section which is having a single content, I would be using single column. And if I require a two column, I would be using a two column. Fine. Initially, I'll start with a single column. So I have selected a single column out here. You can see insert columns. Fine. I suppose it was being selected. I'll just cut it. I'll choose the column. It is a single column. Now it would ask me to insert modules. There are n number of modules which are available to use. So first module we'll start using is a text. I have slided down this page and I have seen this text option. I have selected the text and the text option has been selected. So suppose that if you slightly slide down, I can see there is a small space where there is an option to write some text. So for example, I'll just copy some text, or I'll just write some text out here. This is a sample text and I would copy it and keep on pasting, so that the section would look like if it is filled, it's not empty kind of section. Yes, that's enough. Fine. So I have entered the text and I can there is an option save and exit. Just use this save and exit, and there is a small text has appeared out here. On our right hand side we can see there are three options: save draft, preview and publish. The meaning of save draft is that I haven't finished yet making the page, so I'll save it as a draft. Saving it as a draft means it won't be live. If I would be searching on the website or on the internet, this page won't be showing on the internet because we haven't published it yet. This is the second button, publish. Publish means if I have published a page, that page becomes live. It would be on internet for where people from the entire world can see if they're coming on my website. Okay. Now the third option is of preview. I can see the button here, preview. Preview means without publishing, I just want to see how is my website looking. So I have just clicked on the preview button and a second page would open out here. So you can see my page name was sample page, which is appearing out here, and it is the text of my page. Fine. So I have written one text here. I want to write one more text. There is two options. First, I can insert a module. Can you see here, insert module? I'll click it, and if I will select a text module, it would appear in the bottom. Same text I am copying. Fine. You can see two text has came here. Insert module, insert module. The second way we can do it, I can see two square boxes being made out here. If we click here, it is like when you hover the mouse, it says clone. So that section would be cloned, like simply I'm clicking and a third text is appearing. So this would be a replica of the same. Fine. Great. Now supposingly if I would see how this would be looking, I'll just click again preview. Now this time you can see this page is automatically refreshed. So I just need to navigate out here and I can see three texts are appearing line by line, which is this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. And here see 1, 2 and 3. So now suppose I want to write these three vertically out here. Currently they are horizontally. I want these three texts to be vertically. So means I need these three texts to be vertically. That means I need to change the alignment of the text. So what will I do? I'll change the system out here. That is by simply I'll click this thing. I want to 3 row. I'll click 3. Fine. Now you can see the 3 are coming out here and these 2 are empty. I want 3 in a single row. I'll simply click it and I'll drag it over it and dropped. Drag and dropped. You can see 3 rows now becoming 3 columns. I preview and you see it was previously appearing like this, now it is like this. So by simply changing the text display out here, my page's layout has been changed. Okay. Now supposingly you even want to add an image along with it. So you can see an option out here, add media. Suppose you want to add a media out here, click on the place where you want to add something and click add media, and you can add whatever image you want. Fine, suppose I want to add this image and it will appear out here. If I'll save and I'll check its appearance by checking preview, see it's appearing out here and it's changed. Fine, getting my point? Fine. So till now you have learned how to enter or how to make a page using texts. Fine. In my next video, I'll teach you how to enter other modules in order to make a very nice page. Fine. Hope to meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.